This week, inspired by How to Catch a Leprechaun.
So I want you guys to color the rainbow, gold here, and the arrow. And so you can make a trap, so you let the leopard know to put the coin or the gold in here, okay?
Our tiny engineers built traps with boxes, ropes, and gold to catch a leprechaun.
Gold to you guys, okay? And you're gonna put it in the bag, all right?
But where's that sneaky green soul? Will he be attracted by the gold and fall into the
All right,
trap?
put it in the...
While waiting for the leprechaun, let's activate science magic.
And you're gonna just put it in the milk. You're gonna see the explosion, see? Like that, all right?
Milk plus soap equals color explosion. Hydro what? Molecules in action.
Oh my goodness! Look at Mr.
From storybook plans to rainbow hands, these tales sparked our grandest traps. Now we have set the gold traps for Leprechaun.
Yes,
Will it
well
come this
gold.
weekend?
We're gonna see
Happy
if the
St. Patrick's
leprechaun's
Day
gonna
from
come on
Yang
Monday,
Fan Preschool.
and see if you're gonna start stealing your gold.